Ganha aqui e vow renewal ceremony aqui para tu recorde de pareja que registrar. O evento aqui é um dos mais grandes do Caribe e a 13 parejas não for de tour parte do mundo junto leva nos prestigioso Eagle Beach, o beach número 1 do Caribe, para celebrar a união durante uma tarde romântico.
My name is Julia, and I'm here on behalf of Aruba, and I'm reporting for Delish.
I'm Michael, and I'm the +1.
From Romania originally, but we live in Canada now.
De Colombia. Vinimos al evento y de vacaciones, algunos días.
We're planning to come here, and then we came about your website, and the ceremony was going to happen when we were here on vacation.
Yeah, nice coincidence, right? It's 25 years since we got married, and then we saw your celebration. It's great.
Yeah.
We're in.
Well, this is our first time to Aruba, and this has been so beautiful. You walk in, you get drinks, you get to hang out. Yeah.
Beautiful sunset.
And it's
Everyone's so happy. Like, it's really
everyone's in
neat.
a good spirit.
All over the world came. That was really neat.
I now happily declare that you have been and will remain partners in love for life. Congratulations, partners. I invite you to seal your union with a kiss.
We had a good time.
Highly recommend to come to Aruba.
La playa, la gente, la calidez, el calor, el trópico, la alegría, la felicidad, todo nos trajo. Y el amor.
We went to Baby Beach. That was gorgeous. So pretty. Definitely recommend that.
The water's like surreal. It looks like something like made up. It's too perfect.
Que vengan, que hagan la inversión y que vengan, van a disfrutar, van a pasar delicioso y este evento es espectacular, está lleno de fraternidad, de amor, de tranquilidad y sobre todo de romanticismo, porque todos los detalles son espectaculares, todos son espectaculares.
Este es el cielo hecho Caribe.
Aruba Tourism Authority te expresa palavra de gratitud especial na tour parte e sócio do setor turístico que hace trabalho de Aruba I Do Vow Renewal Ceremony possível e exitoso. Entrante 20 de agosto de 2023 por mi tour potrat oficial de evento arriba www.aruba.com/ido ou por seguir #ArubaIdo arriba social media.